Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, which of the following forest is known as the lungs of the planet Earth? तो planet Earth के lungs कौन से forest कहलाते हैं या कौन से forest are known as the planet Earth's lungs? तो यहाँ पे हमारा key concept हो जाएगा forest biodiversity. Now, biodiversity means the amount or the different species of flora and fauna found in that particular region. यहाँ पे हम forest biodiversity की बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि forest are the hub for different species of plants as well as different species of animals included. So forests are the ones that have an rich environment, rich ecosystem in flora and fauna. उनका ecosystem काफ़ी rich होता है in terms of flora and fauna both. और forest जो हैं वो natural resources हैं for various things, right? They provide various things for human use also. They are the ones that are going to be providing different things for every other organism. Not only human beings, they also provide habitat to other animals. Along with this, forests also contribute in the atmosphere by producing oxygen. Now, if we talk about different forests, they have डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन बीइंग प्रोड्यूस्ड. फॉरेस्ट जो कवर है, कई सारे फॉरेस्ट, कुछ फॉरेस्ट बड़े भी होते हैं, कुछ फॉरेस्ट छोटे होते हैं, तो सबका जो अमाउंट फॉरेस्ट कवर है वो डिफरेंट होता है. एंड इसके साथ साथ जो अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस है वो भी अलग अलग होता है. जैसे कि अमेजॉन फॉरेस्ट की बात करें, अमेजॉन रेन फॉरेस्ट अराउंड 6% ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस एरिया कवर करते हैं. एंड अगर प्रोडक्शन की बात करें तो येस, इट इज़ वेरी रिच इन फौना एंड फ्लोरा. तो फ्लोरा एंड फौना वेरी रिच. And also it produces for about 20% of oxygen of our atmosphere. तो एटमॉस्फेयर का टोटल ऑक्सीजन जितना है उसमें से around 20% of oxygen is produced by Amazon forest, rain forest only. Then there are other forests as well. जैसे taiga forest की बात करें, taiga forest are the ones which are known as the boreal forest. ये forest में बहुत ज़्यादा cold weather होता है. यहाँ पे richness नहीं है उतना flora and fauna का, and they have majorly conifers present which have needle like leaves. एंड अगर हम टुंड्रा की बात करें तो टुंड्रा आर द वंस विच आर बेसिकली द पोलर डेजर्ट एरियाज which have dwarf shrubs, also mosses, lichens present. Now अगर हम कंट्रीब्यूशन की बात करें तो रेन फॉरेस्ट भी like north east India rain forest is also going to be the one that produces a large amount of oxygen. So yes, rain forest of northeast India covers around 0.25% of total world's area or earth surface, we can say. And the amount of oxygen that it is producing is about 6% of total oxygen in our atmosphere. रेन फॉरेस्ट या फिर अमेजोन रेन फॉरेस्ट की बात करें तो दीज आर द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन्स, और ट्रॉपिकल रीजन्स में काफ़ी रिचनेस देखने मिलती है इन इकोसिस्टम as compared to the areas which are going to come in the category of deserts. सो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ध्यान में रखते हुए अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन को वापस देखें तो नाउ वी कैन से that Amazon forest or Amazon rainforest, since it produces the very large amount of oxygen, that is about 20% of the oxygen of our atmosphere, right? 20% oxygen of our atmosphere is being produced by the Amazon forest. So they can be known as the lungs of earth. And why we can call them as lungs of earth? Because they are producing the major amount of oxygen for our earth. Hence the option C is the correct answer. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.